I wear prescription glasses. My vision isn't too bad, about -1.5 in each eye, but wearing them definitely helps. When I got my Metas, I bought my prescription lenses from the optometrist and it cost me $250 just for the lenses. I've since bought even more Meta glasses, and I really didn't want to spend that much each time I needed lenses. We won't even talk about what happens when it's time for me to get a new prescription. Luckily, there are companies out there that sell prescription lenses for much cheaper, and one of those companies is VR Wave. When you go to their site, you'll see that they make prescription lenses for all Meta glasses, including the newest Blazer and Scriber frames, and even the Oakley Vanguards. You can get clear, tinted, and photochromic lenses. Prices will vary depending on your needs, but I guarantee it'll be cheaper than your local optometrist. VR Wave was kind enough to send me each type of lens for my low bridge headliners, and what's nice about their lenses is that they come in these small storage cases, so if I'm out and I want to swap lenses, I can easily just pull these out and do it. Now, in case you've never swapped lenses in your Meta glasses before, let me show you how easy it is to do in real time. Alright, so here are my Ray-Ban Metas here. We're going to pop the original lenses out first, and to do that, we're going to do it from the inside out. You're going to push the lenses again from the inside out, and the easiest way to do it is to roll your thumbs through the lens to pop them out. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. We'll start off here, the right side. Oh. There you go, it came out pretty easy, except for me saying oop. Alright, go to the left side now. And there you go, just as easy. And now the lens is already out. And let's go ahead and put the lenses in from VR Wave. I have the tinted ones here, the clear ones here, and then here I have the transition ones. So let's go ahead and pop these in. They come individually wrapped up too, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and take these out. And it gives you simple directions, 1, 2, 3, on how to push these into the frame. So let's go ahead and do that first. And we're going to do it from the opposite side, from the outside of the frame in. So start off here, 1 in the corner, and then get 2 in there, and then push in 3. But yep, and there you go, they're in. Now let's do the left side here. Same thing, 1, 2, 3 numbered here, and we'll do it from the outside of the frame in. So let's go ahead and start off with 1. 2, and then just push it in for 3. And you hear that click, which is the best sounding sound in the world, and they're in. That's it. You take these off, these stickers here. And there you go. Perfect. And as simple as that, you now have prescription lenses in your Meta glasses. Now, I'm not gonna lie, my very first time swapping the lenses, I was pretty scared because I didn't want to break the lenses and definitely didn't want to break the frame. I'm a YouTuber, not a billionaire. But literally, after doing it once, you're pretty much a pro already. I swap out my lenses all the time. So if you're interested in picking up prescription lenses from VR Wave for any of your Meta glasses, I'll have everything you need linked in the description. I might have a promo code. Did they give me a promo code? If I do, I'll put that down here on the screen, and I'll also have it in the description. If I don't have a promo code, I don't know why I didn't cut this part out of my video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 10,000 subs before I move overseas, and I'm pretty sure we can do it. Whenever we hit that mark, I'm going to be giving away a pair of Meta glasses and an Insta360 camera and delivering it in person to a random subscriber, anywhere in the world. Well, maybe not anywhere, sorry for anyone watching in Antarctica. So share this video so we can get to that giveaway. Alright, I'm going to go to sleep and dream about being a billionaire. See ya. Really hoping this audio comes out fine because first time trying this mic setup. VR Wave was kind enough to send me each type of lens for my head. But literally after doing it once, you're pretty much a pro already. I swap. I'm going to come back to this section because I don't want to reset all this up. So let's pretend I've done it. If this is in the outtakes, I've really done it. I've really swapped the lenses.